a little closer. Anyway.
Hey, Justin and Leon here, FNK Classic Cars.
Word
up.
Mother-in-law, yours.
How are you?
You know, I'm living.
How you all doing?
How you all doing?
So we have a little bit of bonus footage left over.
Oh yeah, bonus.
From Ocean City, not Boner.
Ocean City?
Yeah.
Ocean City.
Yes, that one.
Ocean City. I'm sorry.
I wanted to throw that out there.
Yes.
We did a couple of Ocean City videos, and this one is of the inlet parking lot after one of the parades.
And you really should look at it because there's cars in it.
There is.
Not inside the video, but
around
like you can see them in the video.
Yeah. So I'm going to apologize to you in advance. I had my phone that's over there that you're looking at us through in my pocket, and it was faced up. So the orientation is wrong. So the video is a little squished, but I'm gonna make it work the best I can. I think there's enough interesting stuff in there though that you want to watch it. So
yeah, we're here.
Check it out.
Yeah.
We'll come back at the end and say goodbye.
You're gonna love it.
And I can't stop looking back and forth.
And if you don't love it, well.
Yeah. Hey, subscribe while you're here, while we're thinking about it.
Yeah, subscribe even if you don't like it.
All right, so here it is.
And like I say, I apologize in advance.
If
you don't like it.
Okay. All right, we'll see you in a minute.
Thanks.
Well, a few.
Okay.
There we go.
And we're Justin and Fiat from Leon's Funky Ass.
You call me Fiat?
Fiat from Leon's Funky Used Cars. What is it called?
We're the Funky Duo.
Funky Monkeys. Look at that truck, man. That's nice. I like that. 54. That's neat.
What? Yeah. Fancy.
Like Applebee's?
Yes.
Like Applebee's. On a date night. On a date night.
Excuse me.
Oh, they got lights. Yay. I like lights. Shiny. There's your Blair Witch Project.
I'll take it.
There it is. You might have to pay you for it. You probably can't just take it. Oh, look, you got a little
54
motor in
from
there.
Naples.
Oh, that's cute. Small block Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
Yeah, that's nice. I like it. Shiny. That could be my new catchphrase. Shiny.
Shiny.
Shiny. That Nova. Pro Street on the ground. Thing's nice. Look at that. 56, that's nice. Pretty. I like that. It's very shiny. We gotta drive around. Who? That one?
Yeah, I like that too.
Oh, the 56? Yeah. Tweety birds are sweeting. I took a turn for the worst. Yeah.
Oh, there's that frozen custard place.
Yeah.
Coors Light. Coors Brothers.
Coors Light Brothers. Coors Light Brothers. Sure.
My goodness.
Somebody's got some loud stuff.
Yeah.
Just as I suspicious.
T-top and
T-top Monte Carlo.
what do you call that rear glass?
Aero Coupe.
Aero Coupe, yeah.
And it's tubbed. Pro Street.
Yeah.
That's neat.
It's neat.
Pro Street, that's neat.
There you go.
Huh?
Big old
Catastrophic. That's catastrophic.
Big red.
It's a little lumpy.
Yeah,
But it's alright. Nice.
This is neat right here.
Yeah. It's got a flathead in it. Does it? No, yeah. No, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, flathead, that's cool.
That's cool.
Old flatty. That's cool. Ford Roadster.
There's a four-door.
Look at that.
Tri-5.
Lord.
57.
Lord.
Plymouth.
Plymouth. There's that yellow four-door.
Yeah.
Thing's clean.
It is clean.
You're not gonna lose it in the parking lot.
No.
Thing is glow in the dark.
Even the drums are bright yellow. Yellow.
Yeller. Old Yeller. That's nice.
210.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Just looking.
Walking right at the moment. That's a nice one. 57.
Adam's 10. Hey, there's that Blazer again.
Yeah, Blazy. Christine's here today.
That's cool.
Hey, that's nice. Where are they? Oh, there it is. Look at got an LS in it, 4.8.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's probably a handful.
Me?
I don't know. Dude, these things are a handful. Even with like a stock motor, the front end wants to come up because all the weight's pushed back.
Yeah.
That thing's probably fun to drive. Look what they did to the roof. That's badass. They chopped it in the front. That's cool. Definitely different. Oh, there's a Hughes 57 we were talking to you last night.
Yeah.
Looks good. Cool.
It's a little lower than ours. I hear Danzig's here playing.
Huh?
I hear Danzig.
Yeah. Dog. Huh?
Huh? There, see, there's the driving movie screen, right?
Oh,
there.
good.
Ghostbusters
Drive-by
for me.
movies. Hey, there he is.
What's happening, man?
What's happening, man? Looking good.
You guys got your school
What's
up enough?
happening? Yeah, man.
Yeah, you see us?
Yeah, it kept getting and creeping up on me. It's fine driving around, but
Yeah, I had to put an electric fan on mine for that very reason.
sitting still, man, that thing just, this is cool, man.
Yeah, it ain't much, but it's fine. It makes me happy.
Yeah, that's all you need.
That's all that matters to me.
Did you paint it, or?
I was like this when I got it.
It looks like almost like somebody did it in like a satin or something. Unless it's just
It's
faded.
just very old.
Yeah.
A little bit of love.
That's cool, though.
Haze over. Need some wax. So we're rocking the flat look this week.
There ain't nothing wrong with that. Looks good. I like it.
Yeah, like I said, yeah. It needs some parts in the interior, but it'll all come in time.
What do you said you still got 283 in it?
Yeah, 23 in the glide.
Yeah, that power glide's crazy, man.
Yes.
Thing like you go 25 feet, it shifts in a second gear.
Yeah, I was actually paying attention to the speedometer today. It was about 12 miles an hour.
Yeah.
In the second gear. I don't like it.
Yeah, I wish it would hold out a little bit. It would, would definitely feel a little better if they shifted it 20, 25 or something,
Yeah,
just get it to go in a mile and there, get you going.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah, it's taking advantage of going to a 2-speed
yeah,
instead of more like a 1-speed the way it shifts.
yeah. It's like you're in second gear all the time.
Yeah. Yeah.
That looks good.
Yep.
You guys going down to Secrets tonight, or?
We were down there last night.
Yeah, we were. That's where we're seeing you.
Probably not. Why, they got something going on down there tonight?
I think they're just doing the same thing.
Oh, really?
Parking lot deal, yeah.
Oh, in that case, maybe I will.
Yeah, I might check it out.
Yeah. Might back up there again and go back to bring the car tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be riding around somewhere.
Oh yeah.
We're getting ready to head up to get nice and go check that out.
Yeah, I haven't been up there yet.
We're back here to some big parade.
Yeah.
Ride up there and see what's going on up there.
Yeah, man. Well, it's good seeing you all.
Yeah,
I'm sure we'll see you again this evening or something.
For sure.
Take it easy.
Have a good one.
Thanks.
Having trouble starting it.
Yeah.
Gas hole.
What? What you said? Oh, that's funny.
That sucks.
What are you doing?
Tag says gas hole.
Oh.
Our buddy back there can't get his car started.
Mine does that, and if you just touch the gas and then start it, it'll usually take off. It's like it loads up.
Yeah.
Carburetor's drained down, I think, while they're sitting still.
No. And time order them. You know what? I have no idea what's wrong with I can drive it away without
That little thing there is badass.
I know. I saw that at the gas station this morning.
Yeah. That small block Chevy stuff in that thing. That's cool. That's neat, man.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's a little different. We was up here last year. So now we have to put a little paint on it before we try to open up the hood and let somebody look at something.
Yeah.
Put a little paint on it, then we'll bring it back.
I heard you at the Rural Farms this morning. It sounded good.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah.
It didn't sound like a Geo motor, so.
No.
Got a little more pep than it used to.
Oh yeah, yeah. I think it was a 1.8.
Yeah, something like that, a little tiny
You
motor.
made this thing fit in there, though.
18, I think it originally had I think it was 82 or 83 horsepower.
Sheesh.
I think that's a giddy up and goes now, huh?
Yeah, you got a little bit more horsepower now.
Yeah, man. That's nice. Where are y'all out of?
It says Newmarket. Oh, Virginia. Newmarket, Virginia.
Oh, Virginia.
On Skyline Drive, you know what Skyline
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's beautiful, man. Right up through there. Skyline Drive is beautiful.
Big season, they sell all kind of apples and
Yeah.
apple orchards and stuff all over the place.
And everybody's looking at the leaves and all that good stuff, yeah.
That's neat. I like this.
Apple cider.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. You guys from around here?
We're from Frederick, Maryland.
Okay. Yep, we've been up here since Sunday. And this is the first time we felt a little sun on my back since
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saturday. I believe.
Yeah, it's been,
Soggy.
Crazy there.
yeah.
Check this thing out.
Yeah, I know. I see that.
Yeah, that's cool. Old T. Huh? What, that? Nah. What do you mean? Well, a T-bucket, a little hot rod, but... Oh, man. Well, you have a good day, sir.
You just say,
Enjoy the sunshine.
Have a good one.
That's a 58. It's got the crazy windshield and
Beautiful though.
yeah. Man, you see what's in it?
Yeah.
409 with tri-power.
Yeah.
Or 348 tri-power, one or the other. Full W motor. That's badass.
Man.
Putting that motor together costs more than both of our cars.
No doubt.
He's probably got 20 G's in that motor. Maybe more.
56 is nice.
Yeah.
There's a Honda.
Yeah.
That Honda from last week.
And my 61 was a 348 car to start with,
Was it?
but that's all gone. I wish it was still in there. That was cool. It'd be cool. 348. There's a 60 El Camino. That's cool.
Yeah.
Something you don't see every day. That's badass. What? Oh, really? Oh, all right. Then we walk out there, we get you one if you want one.
There'd be one out there.
I don't know. I think they shortened it.
Wow, look at that.
That's a whole
Go for a walk? Well, we'll all go out together. Okay.
I'm taking that one, Eric, just so you know.
What, on the boardwalk? There's one on the boardwalk?
Yeah.
Hey, 66 right there. See it? 66. And a skeleton in this,
Oh, yeah.
in this one.
He's a little dry. Dehydrated.
Yeah.
'55 convertible. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That's nice. And all original too. 265. Got the oil filter, remote oil filter. That's where they were back then. 265. Pretty cool. Another bubble top. There's a good bit of bubble tops down here. $40. That thing's cool.
Back here, hiding. There it is. One of my favorites. All right.
What?
Did you like the video?
I liked it.
I had a good time.
We were there. That's how we got the video.
And we walked around the parking lot.
We did.
That's where the video came from. Yeah. All right. I guess that's it for this one.
Thank you for joining us, and peace out and word up and
Word
up
out.
yours. Oh no, not the last one. Scratch the last one.
All right. I'll see you.
See you.
See you on the next one.